this is a journey back in time.
What a monster you are.
So that's one hike down. We're planning one more before the rain hits us again. Let's start Norris and head out. Ready? Let's go. About halfway there. I'm sure about the elevation here, but it sure looks super pretty. The lake you can see here, it's about 30 meters above the sea level, and that one is almost 1400 meters. So it goes straight up these peaks. Norway.
You can clearly see we're approaching the last settlement before the Stone Age.
Alright, so this is a journey back in time.
Okay. Apparently you can enter the house. And
Hello. Welcome. You should check this out. Come. I'm amazed.
what?
Also, this view from these windows.
Oh, this place is crazy. I can't believe this is open for everyone.
Lovely cup of tea, darling. Let's tune on the radio and have a little look at the king, shall we?
I don't think they talk British in old Norway.
Ah, no, of course, we're in Norway.
Maybe you can see, notice over there, we are almost back at the car. It's been 2 pretty steep hikes in just a couple of hours, and yeah, we're already overdue on the showering part.
Stinky.
And since I'm already soaked after the waterfall, I'm planning to go for a little swim in the glacier lake, which is probably going to be as cold as it sounds. But I'll make it quick. Important natural soap with no harmful ingredients when you're jumping into lakes. Okay, time to rinse. Morning.
Good morning. We are in the Fjord, and we have just made some breakfast, getting ready to take a boat and do a hike further out in the fjord.
We're on our way to the little mountain farm. The boat set us off. We started the climb. Pretty steep. We're power walking to get up first. A bit out of breath. Out of breath?
Yeah. Ridiculously steep. Can't even speak.
How about that for a backdrop? Excuse me if I seem a bit patriotic, but this makes me really happy. Hiking in this environment. Yeah. I've had worse days.
Closing in on our destination for the night. Simon has been a champ, driving for 5 hours. I think you're starting to feel it in your back.
Yeah, it's getting sore. Been sitting way too long today.
But you didn't want me to drive, so
Yeah, I know. But I would have been sitting if I was a passenger anyway.
we're sitting in the same seat.
Yeah.
Hopefully the weather is decent in the morning so we can go for a hike. That's why we drove here.
This is right next to the moon landing.
Nice.
We have the Lictor behind the wheels.
I said you're not going to film that I was driving.
You don't see this very often. Which is probably the best driver of the two of us. So we decided to go for a evening hike.
I because
Not sure if that's a good idea, but
we checked the weather forecast for tomorrow and it had changed again. So we're trying our luck tonight instead.
whoop whoop.
What to do with this weather?
So we reached the mountain farm. It's behind me here. It's actually also a cabin you can rent and stay for the night. But the downer is that the big mountain top over there is covered in fog, and that's a shame because it's a really pointy and characteristic mountain, which we would like to see. But we gave it a shot. Yeah, it's going to be about 8-kilometer round trip when I get back to Norris. But yeah, pretty decent mountain valley, I'd say. You should come here. It's really beautiful. I'm hoping this little road will lead us to the campsite. Nice. Good job finding a camp spot.
Yep. Happy with this one?
Looks like Zulu is happy too, exploring her new playground. So we are situated, hard to tell from this angle, but there's actually a river right here. We're parked right there. Pretty nice. Unfortunately, the weather stopped us from spending more time in this incredible mountain valley. However, we seized the opportunity to drive further north towards the sunny forecast and the Arctic islands. At the end, we never regretted this decision, and I invite you to follow along to see why in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing and stay tuned for what the Arctic region has to offer. See you in the next one.